What? So your face have to do yoga too? Your mouth, why your mouth have to do the poses too? All right, guys, guess what? It's International Yoga Day. It is. So Neva and I are going to be attempting to do a few yoga poses to get you started. Well, Neva is going to demonstrate, and I will just...
yeah, that's me.
I will narrate. So we're going to look at some poses and see how well we can pull them off. The first one is, what this one named, Trish?
Hold on.
Again?
Wait, no, man.
Lizard? This is lizard? What's this, Trish?
Right foot, so.
Gomukhasana.
Gomukhasana.
So, Trish?
Cow face. Perfect.
And all the hand go now. So?
Just like that.
No, seriously.
Seriously, you're doing a great job so far.
Okay.
Well, all part of me hurt me already. I feel like
What's
I'm
the
a
next one?
contortionist.
Do we have another one? No? You're going to give me a... Oh, yeah, no.
Go for it, Neville.
Wait, no, man.
That one's going to need...
Or maybe not.
Wait,
And I
come
make
on.
diamonds.
Never get me head.
I'm going to hold my heel
Wait, no.
as the bottom part of my body.
Hold on. Where is Trishan Horton? Come here, please. Trishan, come here. Guy, if you would... Sim, you win.
I'm using my
You
heel
win,
to
you
take
win,
off
you
my
win.
shoe.
You can come down now in your heels and...
Trishan, you do that. Sim, you win.
Tell you what. I'm here to give you guys something that you can actually
Trishan
do.
can't do it. You can't do it.
Listen.
So, but...
What is our implication that we weren't doing well before?
No, you were doing really just
This
an
is Trishan, by the way.
infinitely
Morning.
excellent job.
Morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
I don't want
Happy
no
Yoga
easy
Day.
thing. We don't need easy. We can do everything. We don't need easy.
You don't have to temper it or dilute
Yeah,
it
just
for
give
us.
it the hardest one. They can
I'm
think of.
not sure what's happening here. I
Yeah.
didn't say it was going to be easy, you know,
Oh.
guys. I didn't. It's not like I came with the senior citizen version. That's
You
not
already
it.
need that one for
But we
him.
do want it to be effective.
Hold on,
I don't want you to throw any word.
Well, and I mean, you just fling word pan senior
Absolutely
citizen.
not.
To it,
Absolutely.
slang that word
I would
like
never
a
do
heavy
that.
rock stone.
All right.
I would never do that.
Show
So
you another one.
what it is that I'm here to... We want to do some yoga that the average person can do, right?
Right.
And that is actually effective
Okay.
and is accessible. So
Okay.
So should we get up?
you don't look like you want to. So tell you what, you can actually, I can absolutely stay there.
Okay.
So for instance, most people, back pain, right?
Right.
Yeah, I have back
Neville
pain.
has back
Don't
pain.
it?
Yeah, man, I do. Seriously.
He does, he has scoliosis, so he has back pain regular.
Oh, well, that's
Yeah, man.
a number of things going on there. But just, you know, in the morning, you wake up, this is your bed, lie down, Neville,
On my back.
on your back.
As opposed to where now?
On my
Just
stomach.
why you have to do that?
On my
No,
stomach.
because-
Time with him. Just take
No,
time.
no, you don't deserve
Exactly. So you wake up in the morning and you make a big stretch. Give me a big stretch. Wow.
What?
I'm not sure what you're waking up from.
Yes, a big stretch. You want a bigger one
Go
than
back to
that?
sleep. No, go back to sleep. Go back.
Yeah.
You're sucking all the
And you
oxygen
can
out
just
of the
pull
room.
your knees in towards your chest.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hold on to the back of the knees.
Yes.
Yes. Don't that feel nice? You can feel the stretch happening in your
Yeah.
back. Just relax your head.
Oh, relax, man.
Yes, man, you just wake up.
Can
you're
you do
ready
can
for-
you do a rocking baby, please?
You know
Me
what
like
that is?
this?
Right.
Is this
There
what
you
you want me
Because
to
he's
do?
just a big baby.
Well,
that's
I
why.
think she's now instructing you.
No,
And then you
no.
can go ahead and just drop your knees over to the right. Drop your hands open. Right. Drop
Just-
the knees
all
over
right.
to the...
No, because the
Pants
the
too
mic.
tight.
No, it's the mic.
Ah!
It's the mic.
I just check in.
My pants tight, but it's the mic.
There
What
you
else?
go. And then just pull your belly in, bring the knees back to center, and drop them over to the other side.
Everything me have to move. And
Well,
drop
how
them
many
over.
things are you carrying? Are you a FBI agent?
Yeah.
What are all these gadgets?
This way?
Yes, just like that. Right? And then you can rock back to center.
Yeah.
This one now, I'm not sure if the pants will permit you.
You know, lift my pants.
So I will be doing it here with
I
you.
must still keep my foot up here, so.
Most certainly. So you're going to hold on to the outside of one leg.
I love this.
Yeah.
Another foot.
Let's start one leg at a time.
Yeah.
So you're going to you want the foot to be facing the ceiling.
Let me just.
Yeah. So.
Wait, take time. Just bring the shoulder back to the floor and relax the head.
Okay.
There you go. Can you straighten one leg?
This pose looks
Straighten it.
very.
Straighten the
Oh,
other
straight
leg.
this
Sorry.
one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay, can you bring both legs in to happy baby?
You mean so?
While you keep the sacrum on the floor. Good job.
Me just feel said this not look good for TV.
I agree.
That's why when I say I'm going there, I didn't know what was
Me don't
coming.
know. Me don't know why me not think that it looks so wonderful.
It's
See, I manage it though.
But you did a really good job, and I'm sure minus the pants, you would have done even a better
Oh,
job.
you don't put my pants up.
I'm just saying it's
Happy
limiting
baby.
for the yoga.
No,
That's
because
all.
I see
I
all this look,
really
people.
just think we can just, you know.
Yeah.
But we also have some poses. I brought my special magic tool that I'm sure you guys have never even heard of.
Yeah.
Is it a chair?
Why you had to be like that?
Oh, wow.
After that build up? Really?
Sorry.
You just,
Sorry,
you
Trish.
just, yes, my chair.
Okay.
I know this is me alone here.
Trishan, see a chair in the corner.
And that cannot be a senior
I
citizen.
felt like they hid the chair.
That couldn't be a senior citizen pose.
No, it
baby?
absolutely wasn't.
Well, happy baby?
No, the pose me do a while ago.
Happy baby.
Is a happy baby
Yeah,
pose?
it's called
That?
happy baby.
But that can't be a senior
And you
citizen.
rock the
So
side.
just roll off the mat now.
Roll.
Just roll off the mat.
Like in combat. Just roll it, roll. What?
You want to dirty up my clothes. Don't want
Right,
me to
so
know.
now, come now.
Oh, it's still me.
You, Simone, you
yeah.
ready? You
Hold
come
on.
in.
So
Let's show them what you're made of.
No,
I
man,
don't make
it's-
off much, you know. So let's not.
I mean, I don't know how the shoes going to work.
What you want me to do? Just tell me.
just-
Me work. Me work.
I think that's its best that you just take them off. For everybody's, because if you
Feel
step on
very
my toe,
stretched.
we have a
Yes,
problem.
usually yoga does not include shoes.
It really doesn't.
Okay.
So you're gonna hold on to here. So this is an adjusted, the yoga's most famous pose, downward facing dog. So you're gonna bring your chest,
Downward facing dog.
right? And just walk the legs back. No man, hold on to it properly, you will need to. Oh, it's still not on the mat.
No, we're off the mat now.
Walk your legs forward just a bit. You went a little too far and open the legs about hip width apart. Come to the edge of the mat so you're not slipping. Come to the edge of the mat. On somewhere.
More?
Yes, man.
Oh, open.
Good. Now chest towards
I'm an
sides.
easier student, I could
Eggs.
So me can't
And then
do
you're
it over
gonna
here, so-
come
Oh,
up
no,
on your
mommy,
tippy toe for me.
Hey,
Come up on
Jody,
your tippy toe
this
and
not
rock
gonna look so
forward
good.
until your
Look,
shoulders
look,
are
look,
over the
look.
wrist. Stop right there. How that feels.
Great.
I know. And you can go ahead into upward facing dog and just drop right.
Upward
Look at
facing
that.
dog.
I'd love to see you doing this one. Very good. Pull the belly in and just come back into downward facing dog.
Why
See,
you calling
easy
our
breezy.
dog on television,
I
please?
didn't do that, you know.
You said downward
So for
facing
those
dog.
persons, everybody has some kind of chair. We're gonna do, I feel like Simone has gone off because it feels so good, right? I know, and I have some that feel even better. So you're gonna come back into downward dog and walk
Dog.
forward towards the chair. Excelente. And I know.
Where you going to sit down? I don't
No, I did my part.
That doesn't
There
show
we go. And you can sit in your chair.
Jody, don't stop.
You're gonna sit facing either side, whichever one. Excellent. So bring your knees right, your ankles right under the knees. Good. You're gonna hold on to both sides of your chair, the back of the chair.
Nice twist.
On either side, yep. And just lengthen upwards first before we go into the twist. Just lengthen up, take a big breath in.
ma'am.
Right, and then use the chair to help you to come into that twist. How does that feel?
Sam Rooney.
Relax your shoulders. Relax
that's
the
boring.
shoulders.
Me like my pose better.
This feel like I could go it all.
I know.
Right.
And so because you are behaving so well, I'll give you the last yummy pose, which is you
I
can
don't
come
really
out of
sure.
your twist. No man, it's even better. It's
Okay.
even better. So you're gonna come to lie on the floor and put the legs up on
Shishan, where can we
the
find you?
chair. Well, I mostly do privates, so you can contact me via any social media platform, Instagram and Twitter, Trishan the Free.
Hop here, miss.
But you can
Trishan
put
the
your
Free?
feet. Trishan the Free.
That's it?
Yes, that's it. Or Trishan Houghton on Facebook. Come to lie down. The show finished now, you know.
Good evening.
No, but me notice you just get the easy one. Them.
The show is
And you give
finished
me-
now.
All right, now I feel. But my pose did
Come,
nice.
Nev, back to happy baby.
Don't do it, Nev. Don't do it.
Thanks a lot. Really
Thank you
good to
very
meet
much
you.
for having
Yeah,
me.
man,
And
thanks for coming.
enjoy. I expect you guys to do yoga
Sim,
beyond
you can't do
International
that
Yoga
on TV.
Day.
Me hide.
This is not,
you
it's
can't
the
do that.
poor.
You
It's
can't
not
do that
me.
All right,
You
guys.
can't do that on TV.
Your mind,
That's
your
not a good
mind.
look.
It's a terrible thing to
Let me
waste.
just move the chair.
That's
Let us
not a good look.
invent a new yoga pose, and I'll just stand here. Don't
Yeah,
worry.
it's not that good. Yoga instructor, Trishan Houghton. So you can find her. She's a personal trainer, that's what you call it? What do you call it?
No,
She's
not
a
a part.
yogi.
I'm a yoga teacher, and I come and I curate an experience for each person.
So you're not a trainer?
I wouldn't term it like that,
Okay.
but sure, I can train you in some things.
Okay. All right.
Why you don't leave her alone?
Because it's not a good look.
You know you need
It's
some
a
yoga.
yoga pose.
Need some yoga, you know.
Me?
Yes, absolutely. You have some energy that needs